Hey guys, Crystal again. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt as the last video because I'm filming it on the same day. Welcome back to Journey with Joy. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little essentially video review on the what's going on my eyebrow. When your eyebrows sit, not today, sis. It'd be your own eyebrows, bro. Anyhow, I'm gonna do a quick little review on these lip glosses that I got right here from a Black-owned and woman-owned business we love to support. It's called Rosewood. Rosewood Cosmetics. I'm gonna put this show closer. I got two of them. Alright, so what did I get? I believe that I got the Diamond Blitz. I got the Diamond Blitz. I don't know what the words are at this moment. I can't speak. I got the Diamond Blitz pack, I guess. It's a little bundle. There we go. I got the Diamond Blitz bundle. So it's Rose. This one is Rose. This one is Cocoa. And this one is Jewels. I'm gonna show you what they look like. Let's start off with Jewels. Nice and simple. Here we go. This is it. This is what the wand looks like. So, Jewels, classic 90s type of look. Just, you know, nice clear lip gloss. Add a little extra for us girls, you know, that don't really wear makeup, but every now and then want to add a little spice on it. So this is lip gloss. I really like it, nice and simple. My favorite thing about these lip glosses is that they are pretty thick, but not to the point where it's like it's nasty and sticky, but they're moisturized. Like it's thick because it's moisturizing. And it's my friend Ida, she actually put me on. Miss Ida, hey boo, if you watch, hey. But yeah, so she put me on. Black women help, supporting Black women essentially. And now we're gonna go with Rose. Rose, another nice. I feel like they're all just, you know, I mean, it's lip gloss. I chose ones that weren't, you know, too in your face. She does actually have ones that are, they're more pigmented than this. Rose is a nice little rose gold, so, you know, it adds like a nice little color. My favorite one is actually the next one, which is Cocoa. I feel like it perfectly matches. Like it's a nice like brown sort of tone and sort of matches my skin tone. I just like it. I just really like it. Cocoa. Cocoa. This is Cocoa. It's a nice little brown color. I think you can sort of see it. Like I like them all because it's not anything where it's like, I feel like it just accentuates the natural beauty. I love my lips, so just want to accentuate them, not necessarily, you know, take away from the fact that they're so I'm silly, I'm goofy. This is me. I'm not gonna apologize. Anyhow, I like it. It's cute. But yeah, guys, so that was it. Cocoa, Rose, and Jewels from Rosewood Cosmetics. Go ahead, support our sister, you know, hit her up, show you the card and everything that has all the information on it, the website, Instagram. Go ahead, check her out. Like the video, go ahead, thumbs up. Leave a comment down below which one is your favorite lip gloss. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.